So if we're given the temperature in degrees Celsius, this is what we're given, and we want to know the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit, we have to use the formula that tells us what degrees Fahrenheit is equal to. I want to know what degrees Fahrenheit is equal to. So what is the formula that tells you how to calculate degrees Fahrenheit? What is degrees Fahrenheit equal to? That's it. Degrees Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8. What does 1.8 C mean? What do you think? Times, right? If you have a number next to a variable, we know the operation is always multiplication. So I'm taking 1.8 and I'm multiplying it by what? Whatever it is in Celsius, because we're trying to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And then we're going to add 32. BEDMAS. This is really straightforward. I want to know what that is in degrees Fahrenheit, so I'm going to take 1.8 and I'm going to multiply by whatever it is Celsius. So in this example, what is it in Celsius? What was the example I gave you? How many degrees Celsius? 23. And then I'm going to add 32. We need to do multiplication first. So I want you guys to calculate it and tell me what you got. Yes, 41.4, and then we have to add the 32. What's 41.4 plus 32 equals what? Yes. 73.4. So that means that if the temperature is 23 degrees Celsius, that means that it is 73.4 degrees Fahrenheit.